A specific type of financial instrument pays 15% simple interest and lasts for 1.5 years. The instrument can be bought at any price. An investor purchases the instrument and has calculated the total value of the investment to be $4,000 at maturity. So, with interest, with simple interest, the amount of interest you get is just the principal, the starting amount, times the rate, times the time, times usually in years. Okay. So the investor expects it to be $4,000 at the end. So the interest is the 4,000 subtracted by the principal in this formula. Okay, so instead of I put 4,000 minus P. Because we still don't know what P is, what the starting amount is, or P sub 0. But if we can make an equation about it, we can solve the equation and find out what it's supposed to be. So I put in 0.15 for the rate, and then 1.5 in for the time. Now we've got an equation we can solve. Okay. Let me see here. I think I got everything. Yeah, and again, this is the weird part, okay? In simple interest, the amount of interest you get is the principal times the rate times the time. So in this case, they didn't just directly give us the interest. They said they're going to make $4,000 at the end. So if you take 4,000 subtracted by how much you started your investment with, what's left over is the interest. So we got 4,000 subtracted by P, that equals 0.15 times 1.5. We got 0.225P. And then, you probably know the drill for getting this algebraically by itself. 4,000 equals 1.225P. I just added 1P to both sides. So 4,000 divided by 1.225 gives us 3,265 and 31 cents. Let's see what I might have done wrong here. Oh, it said round to the nearest dollar. Okay, so I was going way too fast. Yeah, just watch out for those little details at the end. Don't do what I did. It asked for the nearest dollar. I included the cents, so it marked it wrong. Okay, but we've run into that before with Newton, haven't we? Simple interest. Let's see. Deposits. So that's P, our starting amount, 9,800. Simple interest of 7%, so 0.07 is R. So what's the balance after 4 years? You just have to plug in 4 for T. Okay, so this one is nice and straightforward. To find out the balance after 4 years, you just find out what that interest is. I guess I can do it since I've already talked through it. We're going to calculate the interest and just add that to our principal. Okay, the interest is the 9,800 principal times 0.07 times T. What was it? 4 years? So we got 2,744. So what's the balance? It's the interest plus the principal. We've got $12,544 and whatever this is. All right, let's see if we can get that other question here. This is similar to what we just did, so let's skip that one. Just solving for R in that case. Plug everything in where it's supposed to go, solve for R. This one's still simple interest. How much will you earn? How much interest will you earn? So that one's just solving for I. Okay, here's the one I want to get to. Discounted loans. Tammy takes out a discounted loan for $850, a simple interest of 12%, but only receives $800 into her bank account. So what's the duration of the loan? So how long does it last for? Let me see, 25. Okay, so the interest here, a discounted loan means you take out a loan for $850, but they only give you $800 because 50 of it had to go immediately to interest. So we got $50 for interest. The principal of the loan was $850. That was the starting amount. The rate was 12. I don't think there's any funny business we have to do here, right? Just solve for T. 850 times 1, 2. That's 102. So 50 divided by 102. That's a huge interest rate. Sorry, that's time. That's about half a year. Give your answer in months to the nearest month. So this is in years. So just multiply that by 12 for 12 months in the year. So it's 5.88 months. The nearest month that they're asking for is 6 months. Okay. Oh, there should be in here. Let me try. I'll try to go back and get another interest discounts on because we haven't used this equation yet.